Now is the time to make sure the tomato, pepper, and cucumber plants stay healthy because the fruits will soon be ready to pick. Sudden temperature changes and weather changes that happen often, like rainy and sunny periods, are bad because they make it easier for fungal diseases to spread to plants. Tomato blight and other diseases can kill plants or lower their yields. We need to spray them often to keep them safe. I only use natural fungicides and never use chemical ones. The fact that this protection won't stop people from eating the fruits while they're still growing is a big plus. Bugs, pathogens, and even some insects that can't digest lactose can be killed by milk. For the preventative spray, I mix 1 liter of milk with 9 liters of water to make the milk preparation. A stronger concentration is used if the plants are already sick. Once the plants are treated with milk, a thin layer of defense is formed around them that stops pathogens from getting in. You can use store-bought cow's milk for this, but the best results come from raw milk, which means milk that has not been heated. Milk is not only good for you, but it can also help you in other ways. I use milk to treat tomato plants all over. I also spray milk on the cucumbers. Some bugs have already eaten the leaves, so we'll see if the milk helps. The young plants will get stronger and healthier if you spray them with milk. During the season, you can treat it with milk more than once, and every other time you can treat it with baking soda. It is not possible to spray plants with chemicals during the fruiting phase because the plants are still open to disease. It's a very important time. Then baking soda will save you. You can spray and eat the fruits whenever you want. Add 50 grams of baking soda in 10 liters of water and mix them together to make the mixture. Baking soda is great for killing a lot of different fungal diseases. After 7 days, spray with either baking soda or milk. How does baking soda work? By making a protective film on the surface of plants, baking soda raises the pH level and stops fungal spores from germinating. It keeps diseases like blight, powdery mildew, and leaf spots away from flowers, fruits, and vegetables. Baking soda is something I use all the time to spray tomatoes and other vegetables I grow. Some pests, like snails, can be scared away by it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.